Got a nice quick exam question for you. This one's off the higher tier Unit 1 paper. It's all about electromagnetic radiation, and it's basically knowledge recall rather than any particular skill. But I'll just run you through what the important answers are here and talk you through how I work out how to do this particular question. So the first thing it's done is it's given us the electromagnetic spectrum. Now the first thing you might notice here is that the spectrum is the wrong way round. Usually when we write it in class, we would do radio waves at this end all the way down to gamma waves here. So they're deliberately trying to just off balance you here. And they want you to state in terms of two properties why they've been arranged like this. So the first thing I'm doing is from looking left to right, I'm going to write from left to right. Not that I need it, but you know, it's useful to put in there, shows I know what I'm talking about. So from left to right, we have increasing wavelength. So each of these radiations has a slightly longer wavelength as we go along then. And we also have a increasing frequency. Okay, so there's the two properties of our radiation and how they've been organised. Okay, so it's a nice one to start us off. Next up is just some really rapid recall, 1 mark for each of these. State which EM comes from nuclei of radioactive materials, as well as being an EM wave. So that's just this one up here, that's just gamma. And this, I'm afraid, guys, is just something you need to learn. These are in the properties work that we did. State which EM wave is used for satellite communication. That's microwaves. And then lastly, this is a little bit of a cheeky one down here. It looks like you're supposed to know, but all we need to know is that gamma is the highest energy and that radio waves are the lowest energy. So they are increasing in energy towards the left of the page. So if X-rays are 2.0 times 10 to the minus 14 joules to 2.1 times 10 to the minus 17, what will have an energy of 1.5 times 10 to the minus 12. Now the important thing is realizing that this one is bigger than that one. So there's only one thing on the grid that has bigger energies than X-rays. So that is going to be gamma down here. Okay, nice, simple, recall-based question. Not much skill on display, but if you don't know your content, if you don't know your knowledge, it's going to be a really difficult question for you to do. I hope that's been useful for you today.